Hey, what's up? This is Nate Salou, a Chicago-based hairstylist extraordinaire living my best life. And this is what I learned this week. Trust the process. The process meaning the Spirit, the Lord, God. Just trust and everything will work out. Because when has it not? Believe, do the work, and things will be done. And the things that you've been doing, the seeds that you planted, your fruit will be abundant. Just have faith. Okay? Thank you. So let's talk about this hairstyle that I had to have faith about. And one thing I want to emphasize that few people may know or may not be privy to, you can relax and color your hair on the same day if you have certain things that are aligned with the service. Now, if you broke off, dry, have not been taking care of your hair, no, you cannot do this. If you have missing pieces, traction, alopecia, and other things, no, I would not recommend this. I do it can be done for everyone. Do I recommend this for everybody? No. As you can see, this lovely young lady had enough hair, enough time, and enough patience to trust the process. And this is what we did. We cut her hair down so that we could see what was going on. And then I colored it. As you can see, that's me with one of my many disguises on. Glasses and hat, yes. And I'm going in and I'm giving her detail. And we just went red. We didn't go too light. We just did up a couple of levels. As a professional cosmetologist, I really appreciate having stores that allow me to be able to have color products and all my things that I'm able to buy so I don't have to run back and forth to the beauty supply store. The products are loaded, the products are in stock, and the products are ready. And it's such a blessing to be able to be at that point. It was a point in my career when I was running back and forth to the beauty supply store, but not anymore. Since I've become structured and professional, I have everything that I need, and if I don't have it, you don't need it no way. So we are molding her hair. Let me give you a quick tip on molding. Just because there's a lot of foaming, mousses, molding things out there, different things work on different people. So when some might be popular, does not necessarily mean it works for you. So check with your person that's doing your hair and ask them what mousse are they using. Can you buy it from them? Most stylists at this point, they do offer retail. And then don't always go for what's popular on social media. Go for things that have been used on your hair. And think about factors as far as what you like about mousse. Do you like the way it makes your hair lay? Do you like the firmness of it? Do you like the softness? Because each product carries different ingredients that help you achieve what you're looking for. So we're molding in here. She's such a lovely girl with the little lashes on and everything. She was ready, honey, the profile, on point. And we are really going in there. And I like to talk to my clients and help them feel comfortable. I'm all about mirrors so you can see what's going on. My goal is to inspire you to want to continue your own journey at home. I don't want you stuck coming to me every 3 days because you can't curl your hair. I want you to be able to have a relationship with your hair. So therefore, it can continue to grow if I'm there or not. I want you to love your hair no matter what and to recognize what good service is about. Shampooing, conditioning, consulting. It's all needed to achieve what you're looking for. I know she was tagged, you can see, but we almost finished. And I like to mold in a lot of paper. Sometimes you may need a little, sometimes you may need a lot. So today, that day, she did receive a relaxer and a color, a permanent color at that. And we went in with conditioning products to help retain the integrity of her hair. So as you can see, my cuts are always on point, and so are my colors. You can wear your hair curled or without a curl because my cut is there, honey. I have traveled all over the places I'm supposed to travel to get proper training from some of the top stylists that you all love and like, okay? So I know what I'm doing. Plus, I learned by trusting the Lord and doing the work and understanding that things will get greater later. And so, because when has it not gotten greater? So, we're going in there. She looks soft and coiffed, honey, and she is ready to go. And just thank you all so much for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or concern, please leave them. And it helps my algorithm grow. And it will help me accomplish my goal of being monetized so I could buy me something to eat. Thank you so much. And if you would like to book a personal virtual consultation, you can at